Welcome back to Auto Car Review. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated modern muscle cars, Ford's resurrection of an absolute legend, the 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 429. This isn't just a throwback, it's a beastly tribute to one of the most iconic names in American performance history. And trust me, Ford did not hold back. At first glance, the 2026 Boss 429 makes a statement. It's bold, aggressive, and unmistakably Mustang, but with an extra edge that screams power. The wide stance, sculpted hood, massive front grille, and functional hood scoop aren't just for show. They're a nod to the original 1969 Boss 429, a homologation special built to dominate NASCAR. The front fascia is more angular and purposeful, with redesigned LED headlights and a menacing splitter that looks like it could slice through the air and the competition. Now, under that distinctive hood, a monster. The 2026 Boss 429 is powered by a naturally aspirated 7.0-liter V8, developed specifically for this car. Yes, you heard that right. 7 liters of raw American power. It cranks out an earth-shaking 855 horsepower and 680 pound-feet of torque, pushing the boundaries of what a street-legal muscle car can do. Ford isn't messing around. This isn't a tuned-up GT or even a Shelby clone. This is a full-blown Boss, and it's ready to take the crown. That power is channeled through a 6-speed manual transmission. Thankfully, Ford stayed true to the Ave roots of muscle car tradition here. There's also a 10-speed automatic option for those who want quicker shifts, but let's be honest, this car is made for those who love to row their own gears. Power goes straight to the rear wheels, with a limited slip differential and an active suspension setup that's been finely tuned for both road and track use. Step inside, and it's a perfect blend of retro inspiration and modern technology. You've got leather bucket seats with Boss 429 badging, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and digital displays that can transform based on drive mode. The dash features classic Mustang lines, but with a contemporary twist. And yes, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a banging 12-speaker B&O sound system. But let's be honest, you'll probably want to turn it off just to hear that V8 roar. Speaking of sound, Ford went all in with the exhaust tuning. There's an active exhaust system with multiple modes, including a track mode that unleashes the full fury of that 7-liter engine. It crackles, pops, and snarls in a way that no turbocharged engine ever could. It's mechanical, visceral, and utterly addicting. Handling-wise, the new Boss 429 is surprisingly nimble for its size and power. Thanks to magnetic ride control, performance-tuned suspension, and a set of Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, it grips the road like a proper track weapon. Ford also gave it a custom drive mode system, letting you fine-tune the steering, suspension, exhaust, and throttle response. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or launching down a straightaway, the Boss feels planted and ready to pounce. Production will be limited, and while Ford hasn't confirmed exact numbers, it's safe to assume this will be a collector's item from day one. Pricing starts around $120,000, and yes, that's steep. But for a car that delivers this level of performance, heritage, and exclusivity, it's hard to argue with. So there you have it. The 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 429 is everything muscle car fans have been dreaming of. Brutally powerful, unapologetically loud, and true to its legendary name. If you're lucky enough to get your hands on one, hold on to it. It's not just a car, it's history reborn. Make sure to hit that like button if you love muscle cars as much as we do. Subscribe for more in-depth reviews. And let us know in the comments, would you take the Boss 429 over a Hellcat or ZL1? Until next time, this is Auto Car Review, driving the legends, one wheel at a time.